About this item: battery type, Li-ion voltage, 10.65 V capacity, 8.55 Ah cells, 9 cell compatible for Panasonic Toughbook Cf-30 Cf-31 Cf-53 series laptop. Replace part number, Cf-VZSU46, Cf-VZSU46S, Cf-VZSU46U, Cf-VZSU46R, Cf-VZSU46O, Cf-VZSU71U, Cf-VZSU72U, Cf-VZSU1430U. 100% new from manufacturer. Grade A cells ensure fast charges and low power consumption. Built-in circuit protection ensures both safety and stability. 24/7 email support, 12 months replacement. If there is any problem, please feel free to contact me and I will solve it for you immediately. Thank you. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: battery type, Li-ion voltage, 10.65 V capacity, 8.